Hello everyone, my name is Sania Khan. Welcome to my channel. Many of you girls were requesting me to make a video on how I do my hijab. So here I am sharing with you all my signature hijab style. So let's get started. To begin with, since this is a chiffon hijab, I'm wearing a undercap underneath because if I don't, hijab materials like chiffon and georgette slips easily. Undercap color doesn't matter for me because I do a full coverage hijab. Yeah, I'll start now. It's not very complicated. It's like a very easy hijab style. Let me show you all. At this side, I prefer the length to be till my waist. And next, I just take like a few inches in the front and I fold it inwards. And then I create a point. Excuse me if I see this side because my mirror is here. Next, right below my ear, I create a fold on both sides. Just like this. Yeah. Let me check it. And then I'll pull this hijab a little back. Next, I spread this side out and then I take my hand like into my veil. And then here I create layers depending upon the width of the hijab. This is not very wide, so maximum two I'll create. Mommy. Yes, baby. And then I'll take my hand outside and I'll hold this, and then this hand I'll drag it tightly inwards, and with this hand tightly I'll take it like above my head. Sometimes I don't even create this layers. I'll just simply drape it. I take it, I don't take it like very up or very down. I just take it right below my chin. This creates a nice angle here as well. My Yeah, pen. This is a magnetic pen. You can also take any normal one. And I place it here from inside. And then I adjust my length like that. I adjust the length like this one. I prefer it such that it covers my neck. So yeah, see, it it covers my back, covers from the front. And a little tip I want to give you is always wear hijab style that suits your face shape. I have a round face shape, so I make sure to wear a hijab style that has few, angles to it. So, like if I wear a free flowing hijab styles, my face looks even more rounder. So I create a little angles so that my face looks a little angular rather than looking, like a circle. So I pretty much wear the same hijab style like 365 days because I believe this hijab style suits my face shape and my requirements the most. And most of the time, when you're heading out and you're a mom, you don't have much time to, get ready. You just get ready in a hurry. I take most of my time for the makeup, so obviously I get a little less time for wearing my hijab. So this hijab style, I just do it like very quickly. I can do it very quickly, like in seconds. So I stick to this hijab style most of the time. Only like in special occasions when I have time and when I want to, I experiment a little with different hijab styles. Other than that, I stick to this hijab style. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to follow me on my Instagram handle for more hijab inspirations. And if you have any suggestion of the type of content you want to see in my channel, comment down below. And also subscribe. That will motivate me to make more videos for you all. So until next video, goodbye.